I'm Lily.
And I'm Riley.
And we're going to do
Warhead Extremes!
All right, go.
I'm looking for that.
Take the top off. Take the top off. Pull it.
No, no.
So what do you think? Are warheads the bomb, Lily?
Yes.
Are they the bomb, Riley?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Mine is starting to sweeten up.
Is yours
Mine
sweet?
just sweetened up.
Okay.
And that was Warhead Extreme!
Y'all are crazy.